The word for wife is one of the most common words you'll see on monuments from ancient Egypt. But how do you read and write the word for wife in hieroglyphs? That's up next. The word for wife in ancient Egyptian was hemet, sometimes written with the seated woman determinative and sometimes without. This is an extremely useful word to know because it appears on a huge number of ancient Egyptian texts, everything from legal documents and literature to family monuments and objects owned by the royal family. And this word could also mean woman as well. Let's take a closer look at a couple of these examples. But first, if you're enjoying this video series on family terms, this is just a small part of what you'll learn in my very popular course, Scribal School. Scribal School will take you from knowing nothing or a little bit about ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs to reading the most common texts that you'll see in museums, online, or on a trip to Egypt. Doors are open right now, but only for one more day, so you'll want to head over to scribalschool.com to get all the details and claim your spot. See you inside Scribal School. Here are just some of the places that you'll see the word hemet, or wife. On this stela of Shenwi, his wife sits next to him and is labeled Hemet F, Merit F, Hejeret, his beloved wife, Hejeret. But you'll also see the word for wife in a number of other places, including on personal items that belong to queens, such as this eye makeup tube that belonged to Queen T, wife of Amenhotep III. On it, she is labeled Hemet Nesut, wife of the king, or you could translate it royal wife, the term for what we in English usually call a queen. For more on family terms and hieroglyphs, check out these videos here.